Hey guys, Mike here and welcome naman sa bagong video natin. Good morning guys. And yung gagawin natin is we are gonna be checking out the things that we bought from Shopee. So moving forward, these are gonna be the peripherals that we are using sa bagong PC build natin. So this is the Logitech G502 Hero on the mouse. So this mouse I think has 16,000 max DPI. I'm actually not sure who uses 16,000 as their DPI. Pero moving forward, ito naman yung keyboard natin. This is the Rakk Lam-Ang. So this is a Philippine brand na keyboard and they have tactile switches. So which means they are very clicky. Without further ado guys, let's dive in. Yo guys, and this is our keyboard, which is the Rakk Lam-Ang Lite. This is a mechanical keyboard that we bought from Shopee. So yung shop naman guys, I think that was easy peasy. Yung presyo nito is from 1.7 to 1.8 ata. So moving forward guys, this is the specifications. So it has 16 million colors. May USB pass-through for your USB devices of course. Compatible siya both sa Windows tsaka iOS. Yung cable niya is Type-C na. It has 87 keys, which means this is a 60% keyboard. So wala siyang mga numbers dito. And also it has anti-ghosting and N-key rollover. As you can see here, meron siyang konting damage sa box dahil sa shipping. But everything is good naman. So moving forward guys, when you buy this, you have a choice. It's either you pick the red Ultimo switch or the blue Ultimo switch. These are linear and these are tactile. So silent to, medyo silent, at saka ito yung very clicky. And as you can see here sa mga pictures dito, meron kang USB pass-through for your USB devices sa likod ng keyboard. Yan, yung Type-C na port. Diyan yung inilalagay. And also, it has dedicated volume and brightness control. So, meron siyang knob, tsaka may button sa gilid. So, yung button niya yan is the switch rin. If you want to control the brightness or the volume, dyan ka magpipress. So, checking out the other specifications. So, yung keycaps niya is ABS double shot. Tsaka 15 million click lifespan. So, guys, let's unbox this. And so as you can see here, yung keyboard is already wrapped. Oh, it's very quick. Yan. So yan ang keyboard natin. So as you can see guys, first of all, walang numbers dito. May area. 60% keyboard siya. And let's check out the sound of the switches. Yan. So as you can see, they are very clicky because they use the Ultimo blue switches, the tactile ones. And on this area, as you can see, there is a knob. So this is the volume / brightness knob. So you can actually toggle through both the volume or the brightness level if you press this button. Yan. So as you can see guys, its design is fairly simple. Yung theme niya is gray and black. As for build quality goes, this is a very sturdy keyboard guys. Tsaka medyo may weight siya on it. I think this has a lot of metal parts on it to make it sturdier. Let's check sa likod na part. Yan. So as you can see here guys, this is the USB port here for your USB devices, and also this is the part where you plug in your USB cable. Type-C USB cable siya guys. So let's check out the backs first. Ito yung resibo, tsaka ito yung shortcut ng controls ng lighting. Yan. So, different keys combination to adjust the brightness, speed, and also direction, and also the mode ng mga LED lights ng keyboard. Yan. So, in here, I think, yes, we have your braided USB Type-C cable. Yan. And also, we have here a keycap puller, and I think this is a switch puller here. Yeah. So let's check out the bottom part of our keyboard, or back part I mean. So it has the branding and your other certifications, and meron siyang rubber pads dito sa baba para anti-slip feature niya. And also we have here the two, yan, medyo matigas pa. Yan, yung legs niya para maging mas mataas yung orientation niya sa table niyo. Yan. So, meron din yan rubber legs. Let's see if we can take this out. Okay, so you can actually take out the pads. Let's see if mabalik natin. Yep. So, for a very cheap price, guys, you can have this keyboard. So one of the things or reasons why I chose to buy this is because of this. So my job is content moderation, so very helpful yung volume knob dito. So I listen to audio, guys, so very helpful to. And that is for the keyboard. So guys, we have hooked up our USB Type-C sa laptop natin just to power this out para ma-check natin. So dito siya ilalagay sa likod. Yan. Yan. So check natin yung mga lighting modes niya. So let's try function insert first. So static color siya. Para i-change natin, ito yung adjustment, function and arrow key to the right. Let's check. Yan. So we can change the color. Yan. So yung other modes niya is function delete is for the ripples or explosion. So different colors. So other feature ng function delete is this. Single line lang na explosion. Let's check if meron pa. Yan. So single wave naman. Check natin. So yeah, back to the first style. So let's check yung ibang design. Function home naman. So, parang RGB wave siya. Yung other naman is function page up. So, parang random siya. Let's see if we can change the color through function and arrow. Yeah. So, you can actually do that. Let's try naman yung function page down. So, parang ano siya. Different style ng wave. Let's see. Yep, we can change the color. Let's see naman, guys, yung function end. Okay, so yung breathing style siya. So let's check, guys, if we can change the speed. So let's see. For the speed, I think this one. So, function plus and minus lang. Yan. So, as you can see, bumilis yung breathing effect. Also, you can change its color through function and arrow. So, let's check the other one. So, yung function end, yan. So, meron din isang option na breathing na color cycles. Function delete, yan yung kaninang wave. Yan. So, let's go with static na lang. Okay. So, yan. So, that is for the keyboard, guys. So, next naman is yung mouse natin. Yo guys, and this is our mouse. So, this is the Logitech G502 Hero Gaming Mouse. So, we bought this also from Shopee, and it costs around, I think I paid for it around 2,500 pesos. So, let's check the box. There are some damages due to shipping, but no worries. So, okay, let's open this. Then, so, what we have here is our mouse. Meron pa. And a little booklet. Yan. Logitech.com. Yan. Also, we have this very large, I think this is a sticker. Yeah, sticker siya. So, moving forward with the mouse, guys, ito yung case, or I mean, ito yung protective casing niya. So, let's open this. Yan. So, ito guys, yung mouse natin. So, I've actually used this for testing, and I think that this is a very good mouse, and it feels very comfortable to use. Yeah. So let's check out first the other parts inside here. So I think you have here a basic like manual, I think. Yeah. So you have, when you have this mouse, you have to download the Logitech G Hub. That's the software where you can adjust the DPI, the RGB lights, and any other macros you want to install with this mouse. So moving forward, it has a braided USB cable. So this mouse is, I think, the predecessor of the Proteus, which is also a mouse from Logitech. So this is a brand new sensor. So max DPI of this is 16,000. To my idea, I think I'm using around only 2,000. So maximum ko na yan, guys. So as you can see here, in terms of the shape of the mouse, it fits your hand very well. My hand at least. Yan. So very clicky button. On the side here, you have your textured grip para iwas slippage. And you have here your scroll wheel adjustment. So, yung scroll wheel, actually, may dalawang mode. So, it's either you freewheel it, yan, parang ikot na lang na iikot. Or you set it parang normal mouse lang. So, yung clicky na pag-scroll, yan. So, on this side, you can see a thumb rest. Yan. For when you're gaming FPS or nung games dyan, or productivity wise, very comfortable sa kamay. And also, you have here your textured pattern. Yan. Para sa grip. So, as you can see here, meron siyang macros or macro keys. Yan. And also, if you have noticed, meron tayong ganito sa package. Which means, simple lang. If this mouse isn't heavy enough for you, oh, natanggal. You can install these. These are your extra weights. As you can see, I don't know if the camera can pick this up. So each weight is about 3.6 grams. Yan. So how do you install these? It's simple. So on the bottom part of the mouse, I think this mouse is actually fine. It's kind of heavy for me, but if you want to add more weight, simply remove this here, and this is the bottom part plate. And what you're gonna do is take a weight and just install it here. So there are already notches or grooves. Yan. So you could actually put all of this in here, but I think your mouse is gonna be very heavy na. And for me, I think I will not be using this, so back you go. So paano ba bumalik ng plate na to? Simple lang, there are slots here. So ito, tsaka ito yung i-line up mo sa slots. You just line up the slots and let the magnet do the rest. So guys, for me this is a very good mouse in terms of grip, in terms of aesthetics. I have no complaints. So ito, dalawang button na to is for your DPI settings. So you change it up or change it down. So ito yung tatlong lights. These are the indicators ng level ng DPI mo. So RGB din to, same with this. So both lights can be controlled, guys, or switch off, or you can pick any color through the G-Hub software. Yan. So different buttons, these are programmable. For me, this mouse is very good for my own preference. So this is the G502 Hero mouse. If yung video na to ay naging helpful, you can always like the video and subscribe to our channel. And also you can click the bell notification icon para maging updated sa mga bagong videos natin. So if you have any other questions, guys, just leave them at the comment section down below. So this is our mouse and keyboard. Mike here. Peace out.